Hi, I'm just me.
Hi, I'm Ralgash.
Dun 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 dun.
And today we are doing the do-it-yourself kit and tasting the drink from November's Tokyo Treat box. So this is the D.I.Y. It's soft candy in a mold that I think we're just gonna mold candy sticks or bricks into shapes.
Yeah, it's probably like that high chew stuff and you mold it.
So this is a peach nectar something or other. And we're gonna try it. I never know whether or not to shake these things. Is
there any directions inside the book?
Maybe. They didn't tell us to shake that sake that time. It just says to refrigerate for maximum flavor.
I don't hear anything in there.
Shake it slowly.
Well, that's what I did.
Yes. And
I think that's good enough.
Yeah. So shall we do this before that?
Sure.
Ooh, peachy. Stop breathing on it. That's really disgusting.
Oh, I don't mean to breathe on it. It just smells so good.
So it's kind of weird, cloudy yellow color. That is peach juice. Okay, you know the last peach drink we had?
Uh-huh.
I wanted it to taste like this.
Yeah.
It's very peachy. It's like thick, but not over, like, do you know what I mean?
It was
Hearty?
delicious. And the aftertaste even. Oh my goodness, the aftertaste. Wait do you let that sink in. Isn't that nice?
No, honestly, it's like I just ate a piece of peach.
Yep.
That's really good.
I definitely recommend that.
Yum yum. I need to look at the lens more. I never look at the lens. I feel like I'm not interacting with you people. Of course, in all fairness, if we ever met in real life, I wouldn't be looking you in the eye anyway.
I've had to train myself to do that. It took me a few years. But I can look people in the eye.
So, you want to read the English and I'll stare at the Japanese?
Okay.
Makes me sad that the green one is apple flavor. I was hoping it would be melon.
There's two flavors I like.
There are. So you open the package. It smells good. So you open the package and there's a little stand that you can set up. It's so cute. So we're going to put our finished creations. We also get 3 candy sticks in lemon, apple, and grape. Also in the package, we have a mold.
Oh, look at it.
So great.
It's teeny.
Oops. Yay. And ooh, okay, so we're gonna make them 3D.
Yeah.
Not like that cheap kit where there wasn't fish.
Yeah.
Bar strips. Okay, so
So step 1, place the soft candies inside both trays according to the colors shown on the packaging. To make the orange soft candy, mix some of the yellow and pink soft candies. So that's how you get the orange.
So I have gloves for us because there's a lot of candy touching going on and I don't want to get all sticky and whatever. I'm going to start with this yellow and make the banana. What else do you need yellow for?
Oh, banana. Banana, banana, banana.
So apparently there are different molds that you can get. And we got the one with the banana and the pepper and tomato. Is that a tomato?
It looks like a tomato to me.
And strawberry. Ooh, okay, so this is really soft. One of these sticks. Broken up. So yeah, you're just supposed to put it in the mold. And
So I guess you'll break little bits of the green off to
fill in the bits, yeah.
the little parts.
That half. And then I'm also supposed to fill in this half. And squish with all of your might. And then it says it should be easy to just pull off the extra candy. If I wasn't wearing gloves, that'd be super, super easy.
That's funny how that's a banana, and that color is supposed to be lemon flavored.
It's a banana.
Lemena. You ever heard of the tomaco?
Yes. Shall we make the tomato now?
Yeah, make a tomato. I like tomatoes. I wonder what flavor that'll be.
It's great.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Oh, I guess I need some of the green. Now, does that smell like real apple? It's probably super fake, right?
Oh yeah, obviously.
Yeah, let's risk it. Alright, so dial 9.
I have an idea. Just eat the bottom part of the tomato.
That's pretty cool. I've completely monopolized on all of the actual touching of the candy. Did you want in here?
No, I just want to eat it.
I'm kind of having fun. This part is kind of fun. So there's a little strawberry.
Boop. I dropped the bananas.
Are we gonna do a green pepper or a yellow pepper?
I'd do a green pepper.
Ow. One thing I don't like is that when you like really squish it down, there's this lip here makes it hard because it hurts.
Okay. We've made enough of each color really to try it.
That's true. Alright, should we try it then?
Yeah, well let's show this to the camera first.
Alright.
I don't want to move it around too much. Yeah, good idea.
Just put it down. Yep.
Okay. So what are we trying first?
I'm gonna try this strawberry, the grape and apple.
Oh.
Because there's almost no apple in that.
Okay.
But it looks really pretty.
Here's how the tomato turned out. It's round. It's a veggie fruit type of thing. Well, it's actually a fruit technically.
And it's a really, really super soft, chewy.
And it's delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like grape, but that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice grape.
Mm-hmm.
Now for the lemana.
Lemana.
I'm looking for something to like in this too, but I have no idea.
For me, it's like a really soft Starburst candy.
Mm-hmm.
Like a Starburst Junior, if there is one. But it was nice. I liked it. And you're not trying any of the green, right? Too risky? You rather avoid the tummy ache and whatnot?
Yeah, apple's not a tummy ache. Apple's a trip to the hospital.
Oh.
In these tiny little amounts, like now, I'm probably okay.
Yeah.
But if it was like straight up real apple, no. Even in this amount, no. And I just don't want to risk it.
Well, it's just that I know there's fake apple flavorings and fake different flavorings.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. I like this kit.
Me too. It's actually really good.
It's tasty.
It's fun.
Did you ever eat the whole chunk?
Does it taste like candy?
Mm-hmm.
I like this kit. It is fun.
I imagine I wonder if you can use it for other things too.
With the mold?
Yeah.
Probably.
Well, we had fun making the fruits and veggies and the little cardboard stand. And we wore gloves and we drank peach juice and it was delicious.
I think we're glad we wore gloves.
Yeah.
The longer I touch this, the stickier it gets.
See, since 1964. Delicious.
That's
Gotta
good
try it
stuff.
if you see it in your store. So that happened.
Like this if you like this.
Comment.
Subscribe for new videos Mondays and Fridays.
And share. Join us next time when we do something else. Bye.
Now I'm sad this kid is gone.
That was delicious.
This can is really freaking cold.
My hands aren't that sensitive for some reason.
You go outside and touch things and interact with the universe.